In this video, I am going to show you how to add and verify your business on Google Maps. Adding or claiming your business on Google Maps is a straightforward process that helps customers find your business more easily, allowing you to manage your business's information on Google. And here's how to do it. 1. On your Android phone or tablet, start by opening the Google Maps app. Use the search bar at the top to find your business. Make sure that select the correct listing from the search results. Once you have selected your business, scroll down in the business profile to find the option Claim this business and tap on it. After tapping Claim this business, you'll be prompted to confirm that you're the owner or manager of the business. Tap on I own or manage this business. If the business listed is not the one you wanted to claim, you have the option to tap I own or manage another business to search for and select the different business. You'll be presented with one or more methods to verify your associations with this business. Carry on with the steps to enter some additional infos about it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.